Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make income planner. One thing which I've learned from my mother-in-law and my husband is save before you spend. जो भी आपकी इनकम है उसके अंदर से पहले सेव करें, उसके बाद स्पेंड करें. And I am also following this rule. So the first portion, no, the second portion will be of the saving. But one of the things which I consider necessary is take out zakah of your monthly income. I consider it necessary. What are your opinion? It's up to you. First portion will be of zakat, second portion will be of saving, third portion will be of necessary things which I have to spend. Necessities, we can call it. Again, I'm saying don't rely on my spellings, it can be incorrect. Yes, and it is incorrect. And the fourth thing is, I will call it remaining one. Sorry, remainings. You can spend your remaining amount in whatever do you want. Okay, zakat will be definitely 2.5%. I'm not maximizing it or neither minimizing this percentage. So whatever or I'm earning, the 2.5% of my earning will go to in the form of sadaqah. You can call it sadaqah. The second thing is saving, and I guess I'm saving approximately 30% of my income. 20% of my income is 32. ये तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. It can be named as 40%. Okay, 40% is my saving. 30% I spend in my necessities, and the 30% is remaining. Now this chart can be different for different people. It's about me, it's about my saving, it's about my income. I have as I don't have to spend or contribute that much in my home, that's why I have the opportunity to save 40%. But still, if you can't save this much, you can have this figure. At least save 10% of your income, please. At least save 10% of your income every month. This can also be 1%, this can be 0.1% also. It's just about you are making Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as a partner of your income. 30% is about necessities like my home rent, bills, that can be either electricity, gas, etc., and other home necessities, and I have 30% remaining. Still, I haven't thought anything about it. Every month I literally waste this 30%. But from now on I have to spend wisely. The main thing the main message which I basically want to give you people is that plan your income or make a planner of your income, whatever you are earning. That can be 500 or that can be 50,000, 500, 5,000, 50,000, whatever is it. I'm not mentioning here my the amount of money which I'm earning because I don't like to share this one. That's why I'm not doing it. Again repeating, the main lesson behind it is just about giving motivation to you people. As it is very difficult or it requires a lot of energy and effort to earn money, that's why you have to spend it wisely. Thank you.